Follow Mr. Brexley. Ready? 1.
Hey!
Reset. 2.
Hey!
Reset. 3.
Hey!
Reset. 4.
Hey!
Excellent. All right, let's work on that middle block. So for that middle block, we're going to take our blocking hand and bring it across our body with the palm down. Good. And then we're going to take our chambering hand and bring it up with the palm down as well. Say load.
Load, sir.
Good. Reset. Ready. Load.
Load, sir.
And reset. One more time. Load.
Load, sir.
Good. And reset. Good. Now, load.
Load, sir.
Good. Now, this hand, the bottom hand, he's going to bring it out nice and slow. He wants to bring it to the middle of his body. That's why it's called a middle block. So that middle finger is right down the bridge of his nose. And this other hand is chambered nice and strong. Good. Reset. Ready. Load.
Load.
Block and chamber. Good. Reset. One more. Load.
Load.
Nice and slow. Block and chamber.
Block and chamber.
Very good. Hey, let's add that stance. Good. So put your, whatever, we're going to put this leg forward in the front stance. Good. Take your hand that's blocking. Load. Good.
Load,
Notice how he twisted a little bit. This is so he can engage his hips and use his power. Good. And twist and block. Nice and slow. Good. And reset. Ready. Twist and block. Good. One more. Nice and slow. Twist and block. Very good. And reset. Good. Now, step out with Mr. Brexley and do 4 of your strongest blocks. Ready? Hey!
Hey!
Reset. 2.
Hey!
Reset. 3.
Hey!
Reset. 4.
Hey!
Reset. Let's work on the other hand. Good. So the opposite hand, load. Good. So the blocking hand is the bottom hand. The chambering hand is the top hand. Good. Twist and block, nice and slow. Good. Reset. Twist and block, nice and slow. Good. Reset. Twist and block, nice and slow. Excellent. Good. Let's add that stance. Step forward. Good. Nice, good load. Twist and block, nice and slow. Reset. Twist and block, nice and slow. Reset. Good. And let's do 4 strong blocks with our best key up and our best stance. Follow Mr. Brexley. Ready? 1.
Hey!
Reset. 2.
Hey!
Reset. 3.
Hey!
Reset. 4.
Hey!
Excellent.